Hey guys, the video you're about to watch is from Alp. He's showing you how to use input support, which we added a while back, so you can check your answers. You can use it for math, you can use it for language learning, you can use it for whatever you want. Just check it out and then please let Alp know. We really appreciate him making the video. Special thanks, Alp. Thank you very much. And yeah, enjoy.
Hey everyone, input and checking your answers is a supported feature of Notion to Anki now. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use this feature. So we create a toggle list as we always do for using Notion to Anki. In the toggle header, toggle title, we'll type in the question and the answer we want to type in. So for example, the biggest city in Turkey is. Now we have to use a bold text here, so the bold text will be converted to an input field. So I'll type, so Istanbul is bold now. And then currently there's an issue with the Notion to Anki, and you have to type something here too, something here as well. This will be fixed soon, as soon as possible actually, but now at the time I'm making this video, you have to you can just leave something random here. I will just type a single A character and leave it like that. Okay, now we'll export our page as HTML. And then we'll go to anki.net and click on create. We could use the deck name, but I won't now. In card types, you have to choose thread bold text as input, and then come here on click to upload and choose our Notion export, open it and convert it. Here just click on click download, and this is the deck with input. Just click on it and this will automatically open Anki, and as you can see, notes found in file 1, notes added from file 1. So our deck is now imported into Notion to Anki. Click on that and view it. So now the biggest city in Turkey is, now I have to type in the answer, and it is Istanbul. As you can see, it's green, so it's correct. Let me type in something wrong, like Berlin. And yeah, this is how input works in Notion to Anki. Thanks for watching.
And of course guys, you knew it, I had to say it. Come on, smash the like button, come on, smash it. I know you can do it, I believe in you. And also hit subscribe and hit the bell icon thing. It should pop up here. Cool, thank you very much. It helps, you know, the YouTube algorithm.